What's up, guys? Boss Signers came in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps. So, let me get right into it. I want to share something with you guys that's pretty much a serious thing, and I don't know if this can change somebody's life. For me, guys, what I want to share is a struggle I've been having growing up, and it's something from the inside. It's not so simple. This has been one of the biggest obstacles in my life, and though I've reached far, I still have some ways to go, if you get what I'm saying, guys. Anxiety has been one of the greatest robbers of my life. Robbed a lot of opportunity. It really cut me down to the core, and I'm just sharing some personal stuff with you guys. Mine really start from when I was growing up and talked down to that I was worthless. I would never come out to anything, and some very, very bad stuff. Very, very bad, because that I was dunce, that I don't have no sense, and a lot of things. And though I've confessed it and told them about it, it is still something that I still struggle with. A lot with, and for a lot of people who don't truly understand, we have to be careful what we say to our children when they're young, because they will believe it. And for me, I believed it, and it manifests itself in my mind, to the point where it was really, really bad. Even when I just met Miss Sinus, he could tell you, man, when I met Miss Sinus in person one time, how can I say this? When I went to somewhere with Miss Sinus, yes, and we were in the early stages of our relationship, I had to open up and confess it to her. And because I've been through so much crap, you know what I'm saying? Having been a guy that had to fend for himself in regarding a lot of little things, not having no strong figure around me to look up to, I had to really pretty much just become my own motivator and everything apart from God. I confessed to her, and I said to her, hey, you sure you want to do this? Because I did all of that. I've been through this, and I struggle with anxiety. And she said yes. Even sometimes, sadly, a lot of times I say to my son, I say, you sure you still want to do this? Because having anxiety is not easy, man. Mine is bad when it's triggered, especially when it comes on to like certain major shift and certain things to do, like big things. Though I know it's the brain and stuff like that, and it put a lot of fear into you, and I understand that. I don't like the feeling. Sometimes it's like I get the anxiety attacks and stuff like that, shortening of breath and stuff like that. And I'm sharing all of this to tell you guys that, listen, please don't talk down to your child. be careful what you say to them, because it will manifest itself over them and they will believe it. And I've been through so much and I've reached so far with this, but I pray so much time, man, that I can deal with this. I hate the feeling. Sometimes it just makes me feel like I'm at a crossroad and I just want to just run away and hide. And I know a lot of you guys can relate to this anxiety, because we're in a society right now that's very depressing. Social media, classism, racism, you know what I mean? You feeling that you have to be this type of person to be successful. People place their value and their achievement around money, what they have. Yeah, and I've been through a lot because of my anxiety, and I've been through a lot in life, to a lot of traumas, a lot of bad moments, and a lot of people don't even understand. I did kind of take up like a little bad boy vibe back in the past. Yeah, I've changed a lot. Back in the past, I've been through a lot, and anxiety, you're feeling right now. And I've also made a lot of sacrifices in my life that didn't work out money-wise, future-wise. For example, one of the biggest one was my music career. You know, I did reach a level where I could have a house on the hill and stuff like that, but I pulled back because I took up my cross and said, hey, I want to walk the road. So that in itself was kind of disheartening a little bit, but I trust in God, if you get what I'm saying. It's like starting over. And man, I think the anxiety and just even dealing with a lot in life, family, being a married man, stuff like that, then a lot of stuff, you know, especially this year, it has been very, 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 very tough for me. It triggered my anxiety to the point where it's very draining. You know what I'm saying? It's very draining, and it's taking a toll on me right now. So guys, pray for me. I'm just telling you what I'm going through, and please be careful what you tell your parents. Be careful what you tell your kids. They will take it to heart and they will process it and believe it. Get some help if you can. If you're worried about, if you struggle with anxiety, go talk to a friend. Try to understand it, how to deal with it. And so, because it's not easy. Alright, my brothers and sisters, it's not easy. So just pray for me. It's not easy. Trust me. It's not easy.